Hi guys, my name is Matt and today I'm going to be sharing with you our maintenance module. When it comes to maintenance management, there are many problems and difficulties associated with using a paper system. They are particularly prominent when there are lots of equipment that is being used by a company, and then it becomes overwhelmingly difficult to keep track of when services are due. These limitations of a paper system are why customers love our maintenance module and want to use it. It provides an automated, connected workflow from getting a vehicle in and ensuring it lives a healthy life. The first step is configuring your servicing intervals or A, B and C services for each equipment type. Once these are configured, you are ready to start your workflow. The workflow begins with completing a daily checklist or pre-start. This is how the vehicle's kilometers or hours are logged, so the system will know when the service is due. You can also raise a fault, prompting a repair to be booked. Once the pre-start is completed, if any faults were raised or any servicing is due, they will show up in the maintenance scheduler. Here, you can allocate the repair or service to an internal or external mechanic. On the mechanic's end, they can easily view the job and complete the service form for the particular fault or equipment service. Occasionally, a fault may be found on the job. However, we allowed for this so you can raise a fault while you are on the job. One of the main benefits here is that we can customize these forms to your needs, ensuring that you will be satisfying the ISO 9001 standards for quality assurance. Then, when it comes time to auditing, the auditor has a clean, consistent view of all the servicing and faults that have taken place. The job can be marked as complete when all the servicing and fault tasks on the job are completed. If you ever want to check on a completed job, you can view the maintenance history on that equipment or make your way over to the fault dashboard. Our maintenance module also caters for your smaller and sub-equipment such as first aid kits, registration, and fire extinguishers. Here, you can specify expiry dates of these to ensure your safety equipment is always up to date. Thanks for listening in, and we hope to hear from you soon. For the